I keep hearing this noise, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if they living up under here in these trees somewhere. Huh? She didn't poop. I better pay attention because I sure was ahead this. She probably did. And I don't think she pooped yet.
That's probably why they got this closed off.
There's some animals up in here, living up in here. Somewhere, some animals back up in these woods. Look at that, all the way back there, look like animals. It look like somebody living in here. You hear that noise? Listen.
If I throw a rock in there, you think it'll make a noise?
I don't know what it is.
Pooped in front of you too. Watch
where you How you know?
I saw her do.
Oh, there you go, right there. Get it, just get it. I'm on video.
I can't pick up the keys in my hand.
Okay, get my keys. It's right here. I can see it from here. Get my key. Oh, step right there, Shady, where your feet at. You're not stepping right there. Hurry up for somebody else come down here with their dog. Let's go. I hear no. Oh, good. Y'all scared me. What's that noise? Y'all know what that noise is? That noise I keep hearing.
I ain't heard nothing.
You don't hear that noise?
Oh, you talking about that?
Yeah.
It's like
It's a what? It's a what?
It's like an animal. I think it's like that little pond. I think it's like I want to say like a frog.
What my key? Get my key. It's a frog.
I think it's like a
I don't know what it is, but he holler every night.
grasshopper. Dog, Could she see that dog?
Yeah, cause she can see her, but these little bitty dogs aggressive though. I don't really look at. She's so cute. That's your baby.
Yeah.
She's so cute. You taking her for a walk?
No, I'm just bringing them out to get some air because I gotta puff my fucking mouth. I gotta get my puff out.
Oh, okay.
Can't puff in the house though.
Oh yeah. All right, y'all have a good night. Be safe.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, all right. So y'all think it's an animal? What?
I remember I bring your charger.